Right, so to turn on the front light over here at the bottom, we're going to want to hold the plus button for 5 seconds. And now as you can see, the headlight is on. Alright, so now we're going to power on the display. We're going to hold the plus and the minus button for 5 seconds. And here this screen is showing up. What you want to do, you want to make each of these little sections go to number 6. So we're going to use the plus button. And once you're at 6, press the power button to go to the next section. Now we're going to hold the power button by itself for another 5 seconds, and this is going to take us to our P settings. In the P settings, you want to use the power button again, go all the way to P18. And here you want to change this value to 150. So hold down the plus button, and it will slowly start to go up. Now once at 150, we're going to hold the plus and the minus button together for another 5 seconds. Switch.